Come on, little buddy. What are we getting?
A new toy.
We just got it delivered.
We just got a new toy delivered.
Well, let's get it.
Okay. Today, we're gonna open a new toy I've got. Let's get this box out. There we go. He transforms like this.
Whoa, now he's a submarine?
Yeah.
And now he's a robot. Holy cow, how cool is that?
Hey. Okay, now, let's get more pieces out. That's in here.
So I just have to say how neat it is that Lysander has wanted this toy for 2 years, has been saving his allowance, has been doing extra chores, cleaning his room, cleaning up toys, putting away things, picking up dog poop in the backyard so that he could save up for this toy. Isn't that right, Lili?
Yeah. Just so I could save up.
Alright, so we've taken all the pieces out of all the packages. Now we gotta follow the instructions. Alright, we've assembled some of it. Now we're doing the shark cage. It slides forward and back. It's supposed to mount, looks like, on the instructions. Okay, so we've done the shark tank. Now it's time to do the arm.
How do you put this on?
Lysander has an idea. We're gonna follow the instructions. Alright, I think we got it built now, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how it works. Demonstrate it for me.
Oh no! The rescue bots are controlling the boat. Now, High Tide's gonna have to save the day. Now, he opens this, like this. And let me do it. Snapping. Okay, you're good. Then he comes in.
You just transform into submarine mode?
Now line you. Okay. Push. There we go. Now he's going to control the boat. Put this. Okay. Wait a second. What happened?
Whoa, he slides up the top. Neat.
Now he saved the day. If you want to put him to submarine mode and you get this High Tide toy, just slide him down. And then let's.
Whoa, and he's underwater and ready to go out underwater. Neat. And that ship is the Megabot ship. And it even has a crane on the
Hey,
back.
we forgot the stickers.
Oh no! Let's get the stickers on.
Yeah.
Alright, that window sticker goes right inside that circle.
There we go.
And then we gotta get the Autobot symbol. And put it right there on the gray.
Okay.
Nice and smooth. Cool. Right on the corner.
Bubbles.
Perfect. Okay. Now do you see number 20?
Which one is here?
Okay, we're gonna do that one.
Okay.
Stelly, do you see it?
So yeah.
Is this cool?
Can I show you something, Stelly? Look at this. Let's take the claw off.
Dad, let me get in.
Thanks for watching Kid Safari. And describe our video.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
To our channel, please. And watch them and enjoy them. They're a lot of fun, and they encourage kids to have fun.
He's in there. Now let's see what happens. Shut this, and then look at.
Wow.
Look at it.